Hello knowledge seekers, this is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. We are in a series of reviewing WPS, PQR, welder qualifications. Here I have taken the widely used welder qualification or WQT PQR qualification international code, ASME Section 9. So today we are at the part 3, how to review welder performance or WQT records. Let us discuss about the limits of qualified positions and diameter of the welder. So the section here applicable is QW303, table is 461.9. Question is, what qualified positions result from a performance coupon with a groove weld in a pipe is qualified in the 5G position using GMAW, means gas metal arc welding, short circuiting arc welding, for groove welding 48-inch diameter pipe. So there is a given condition, process is GMAW and the size of the pipe is 48-inch OD. You can see the table here and it is highlighted 461.9 qualified position. If it is 5G, then the welder will be qualified for flat, vertical and overhead. For the groove and fillet, he will be qualified for all. Article 3 is welding performance qualification. QW303 limits of qualified positions and diameter. QW461, very important table. QW452.3, there is a groove welds diameter limit, where you can see the outside diameter test coupon less than 1 inch. The welder will be qualified for the size welded to the unlimited. If the test coupon size is 1 inch to 2 and 7/8, 73 mm, then he will be qualified again 1 inch to unlimited. Over 278 means 73 mm, he will be qualified from 73 mm to unlimited. So there are some notes. You can see the type and number of test. You have to refer QW450 through 2.1, and 73 mm OD is equivalent to NPS 2.5 inch, DN 65. 2 inch and 2.5 inch, there should be a confusion, so that's why it is very clearly mentioned in the standard. Example 1, limits of qualified positions and diameters. What is the minimum qualified diameter of a welder performance coupon that has a diameter of NPS 2 and welded using GTAW? So outside diameter 1 inch to 2 inch, which is 25 mm to 73 mm. Then the qualification range will be starting from 1 inch, which is 25 inch, to unlimited. Question number 1. Let us discuss some frequently used questions. The welder performance qualification record documents is what? That the weldmate provide the required property, the suitability of a weld process for a given service, or the ability of the manufacturer to control the welder, and the final option is welder's ability to make sound welds. So the answer will be D. Reference is QW301 test and API 577 welder qualification 8.1. Question number 2. The responsibility for qualifying repair welders is restricted to the option A, welding qualification test company employed by the owner or user. Option B, owner or user of the site where the repaired equipment will be used. Option C, contractor or manufacturer employing the welder. Option D, welder's supervisor. So the answer will be C, contractor or manufacturer employing the welder. Question number 3. Welders may be qualified by radiographic examination of groove welds with the exception of number 1, SAW with silicon based fluxed, GMAW globular transfer, GMAW pulse arc, or GMAW short circuiting. With the exception, that means some of the procedure is not allowed to take RT as a accepted NDT method. The answer is D. GMAW short circuiting method cannot be tested with radiographic examination. Question 4. Under which circumstances may a welder be qualified by a production weld instead of a qualification test coupon? when a minimum 6 inch of welder first production will pass a specified RT exam. Option B, when a coupon is removed from a production weld and mechanically tested. Option C, when a welder has welded with a specific process within past 12 months. Option D, under no circumstance a welder qualify by this method. So the answer should be A, when minimum 6 inches or 150 mm of welder's first production weld pass a specific RT exam. Question 5. Under what circumstances must a welder requalify? When you need to requalify a welder? Number 1. When the welder's foreman discovers that welder is not making acceptable welds. Number 2, or option B, when the welder has not welded with the same P number in previous 3 months. Option C, when welders has not worked as a welder for previous 2 months. Option D, when the welders has not requalified within past 12 months. The right answer is option number A, when there is a reason to doubt the welder's ability to deposit sound weld metal. Question number 6. Which of the following circumstances requires requalification of a welder? Number 1, where there is a reason to doubt that welder's ability to deposit sound weld metal. When the welder has not welded on a pressure vessel for 6 months. When the welder has been laid off for 2 months. When the welder has not welded a qualification test coupon within past 12 months. What will be the answer? Option number A, when there is a reason to doubt the welder's ability to deposit sound weld metal. Question number 7. A welder performance qualification will expire if he or she has not welded within a specific process for more than which of the following? 1 month, 4 months, 3 months or 6 months. So the right answer will be D, 6 months. Question number 8. When a pipe qualification coupon for welders or welding operator has failed radiographic examination, the immediate retest shall be by radiographic examination. The weld length shall be option A, 1 complete pipe weld, 2 complete pipe weld, 2 pipe welds for a total of 12 inch of weld, or 2 12-inch plate coupons. The right answer is option C. That means 2 pipe welds for a total of 12 inch of weld. Question 9. A welder is tested on half-inch thick pipe in 5G position. How many phase bends are required for the test? 1, 2, 3 or 4? So the right answer will be option D, 4. Question 10. If a welder is qualified in the 1G position with a groove weld in plate, what positions he or she has to qualify to weld in? Vertical, flat, horizontal or overhead? So this should be option B, flat. 11. A welder qualified by welding in the 5G position, the welder cannot weld vertical, flat, horizontal or overhead. The right answer will be option C, horizontal. Question 12. A welder is trying to qualify for all positions by welding a 6-inch pipe coupon. Which of the following positions are required to accomplish this? 1G and 2G, 1G and 3G, 2G and 3G or 2G and 5G? The answer should be 2G and 5G. It will qualify all the positions. Or there is a position called 6G. 6G position is qualified to weld all. Question 13. A welder at being qualified has welded a 5/8-inch thick test coupon in the 3G position. Which of the following tests are required for the welder to be qualified? 1 phase bend or 1 side bend, 2 phase bend and 1 root bend, 1 phase bend, 1 root bend and 2 side bend, 2 phase bend, 2 root bend and 4 side bend. The answer is option C, 1 phase bend, 1 root bend and 2 side bends. Question 14. What tests must be performed to qualify a welder performance test coupon that has a diameter of NPS 4 and 3/4 inch thick? Number 1, one face bend, one root bend. One face and root bend may be substituted for two side bends. Option C, two side bends, two face bend, two root bend, two side bend or two face and two root bends. The right answer should be option C, two side bends. Question 15. What is the qualified diameter range for a welder performance coupon that has a diameter of NPS 4 and is welded using SMAW? Size welded to unlimited, option A. 1 inch to unlimited, option B. 1 inch to 2 and 7/8 inch, option C. 278 to unlimited, option D. NPS 2 to unlimited, option E. This is, we are talking about welder performance, not the PQR. So the right answer will be option D, which is 278 inch to unlimited. Question number 16. What qualified positions result from a performance coupon with a groove weld in a plate is qualified in the 3G and 4G positions using GTAW for fillet welding plate and pipe? It should be option A, flat and horizontal, option B, flat horizontal vertical, option C, flat horizontal overhead, option D, all, option E, SP and F. So the right answer will be option D, which is all. Question 17. When can a welder be qualified for SMAW by using a production weld instead of a coupon weld? Option A is never. Option B, when the coupon removed from one of the welder's production weld passes mechanical testing. When 6 inches of the welder's first production weld pass specific radiographic examination. When the welder has welded on plate steel within the past 12 months. So the right option will be option C, when 6 inches of the welder's first production weld pass the specific radiographic examination. This will be the right answer. So that's all for few frequently used questions related to the welder performance, how to interpret and answer. Hope this added some value to your knowledge. If you like the way of my teaching, please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Hit the like button. Signing off for today, Showman.